Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu narrates that he submitted to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Tomorrow we have to encounter with the enemy, but today we do not have any knife to slaughter an animal." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whatever causes the blood to flow and the animal on which Allah's name has been mentioned, eat it, provided it has not been slaughtered with a tooth or a nail. And I tell you that as for tooth, it is a bone, and as for nail, it is the knife of the Ethiopians." So some people showed hurriedness and they got some animals as booty while the Prophet ﷺ was along with the batch coming behind. They slaughtered the animals and put the casseroles on the fire. So the casseroles were overturned and the behest of him ﷺ, and the booty was distributed amongst the people, giving a camel the weight of 10 goats. Then a camel of the people in the lead fled away while they had no horse rider. So a man shot it with an arrow and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu stopped it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "These animals also flee away like the wild animals. So whenever any animal does so, treat it in the same way." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5543.